Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. No stress, guys. Stop stressing out there. We're seeing that the crypto market's a little bit rocky roady right now. We're seeing that things are going up, things are going down. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about why you shouldn't be stressed out there. Absolutely, why you should not be stressed. It's not a time to be stressed. And I'm also going to show you some data that in the past, every time we have these black swan events, we always see that after about 2 months we see a recovery, and often the crypto markets and the broader markets are often in a plus zone, guys. So if you're panicking, guys, and if you're worrying out there, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to show you that you shouldn't be panicking. And we're seeing a huge W pattern for Bitcoin still forming. I think it's still valid, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. So let's get it, guys. It's an absolute great time to be alive. So let's jump into it without any further delay. So go back and watch all of my other videos. You're going to love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. And don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe like crazy, and just show some love, guys. Show some love, spread some love. And the world's not coming to an end. So despite all of the other YouTubers out there who are saying it's doom and gloom and that things are coming to an end, it's absolutely not coming to an end. Absolutely not coming to an end, guys. So one of the first things we're going to cover, Russia-Ukraine incursion could complicate the Fed Reserve's interest rate decision. So as you all know, our best friend Jeremy Powell in the house, we could be having up to 9 interest rates, and the amount of basis points we don't know yet. But it looks like, due to the outcome of Russia's incursion into the breakaway regions of Ukraine is uncertain, but it's already caused commodity prices to shoot higher. So we're seeing that the commodity prices are going high. Economists say that the price of oil that matters most, because crude price can drive up inflation and slow down the global economy. What happens to oil could also determine the Fed continue, risk rate, and if they're going to be increasing the rate hike. So a brisk pace of hiking after it raises interest rates in March, or ultimately slows the pace during the growing concerns. So this could put a kibosh on Jeremy Powell's the percentage of rate hike. The amount of basis points we don't know. So we need to figure out what that's going to do. But overall, we're seeing that also coming in, EU Commission to remove Russian banks from SWIFT cross-border network. So it looks like part of the sanctions is to eliminate SWIFT transfers to and from Russia and to and from Russian banks. So that is part of it. But it also looks like Putin in the house, he's saying, look, if you guys out there, you do that, this is going to be a declaration of war out there. And so hopefully he's not going to escalate anything further. We got the alien in the house. In case you missed the alien, here's the alien, guys. And let's get it, guys. Just an update. So tomorrow I'm going to the hospital, do my first x-rays on the shoulder, and then they're going to finalize the date for the surgery. It should be the next day, within 24 hours. If I get lucky, they can do it the same day. So that means I'm going to be only out of commission for about 24 hours. But don't worry, even if I'm on my deathbed, I'm going to be recording videos for my peeps out there, because I love the community. I love you guys. I'm working for you. So we're seeing that SWIFT payments have been removed, and Putin is getting pretty angry out there. We also got Ted Cruz in the house. U.S. Senator says he is bullish on Bitcoin because it's decentralized and uncontrollable. So all of this stuff that's going on in Canada, all this Russia-Ukraine stuff, it's been a big billboard. It's been a big advertisement for cryptocurrencies and decentralization, and putting you first, putting you in control, guys. So it's absolutely a great time to be alive. So hopefully you guys are loving it. I'm loving it. You're loving it. So let's get it, guys. Also too, we've seen in the past, once we have these Debbie Downer events, we had this Black Monday in 1987, we had the 1980 crash, we had the 9/11 thing, we had the Eurozone crisis, and in 2020 we had the virus crash, a black swan event over there. But you can see that typically, we can see after 2 months, and now we got the Russian-Ukraine thing, we can see that after 2 months, you'll see that the broader markets historically start to produce positive results and go green, guys. So you can see that, if you look at these averages here, within the first week, we're seeing that about a 3.6% increase. After 2 weeks, 3%. 1 month is unknown, but definitely after 2 months and 3 months, you're definitely seeing that the broader markets will recover. So what this is telling me and telling you out there is, despite that, right now, if we look at the micro level, things are looking not so good, but But if on the long-term trend, this should be definitely indicative, and the evidence is there that we have all of these crises before, and after 2 months, you'll see that everything is pretty much positive in the house, guys. So that is pretty good, and hopefully that should give you some confidence out there that things are going to be going up. Now, if you take a look at the fear and greed right now, the fear and greed right now is exactly the same as it was yesterday. We're still at 26, so that is pretty good in the house. And let's take a look at the heat map in the house. So right now, the heat map is mixed right now. BTC is still showing some positiveness. Ethereum is still showing some positive. Solana is down. We're seeing a little bit of mixed emotions for the crypto space. Remember, it is the weekend, so the volumes are going to be a lot less than on the weekdays, guys. Yeah! And we still don't have the broader markets doing any pumpage, guys. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house right now. So if you look at the leverage apes in the house right now, we're seeing that the total wreckage is almost nothing. It's at $85 million. But we're seeing that most of the wreckage is still short in the last 4 hours. If we switch that to 24 hours, we see that it is going long. And that could cause the Bitcoin price to go down. And if we take a look at all of that in the last 4 hours, we're seeing that we're starting to see more more long positions start to get wrecked. And if that happens, if that absolutely happens, the market makers will flip Bitcoin and it will start to go down, guys. And we could stop it, but I think we're going to start making higher lows from this point forward, and that is pretty good news. So I'm still bullish about Bitcoin. You should be pretty bullish about Bitcoin too. So it looks like it or not, this downtrend appears to be losing momentum. So that is pretty good. And this is, if you look at the Bitcoin liquid index and the amount of the amount of downtrend, the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is going down, down. So that is pretty good news in the house. So also we're seeing right here, this is the Bitcoin on the monthly chart right now, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin on the monthly chart, you can see at these point of breakout in December 2017, we had a breakout to the upside. And also, it was the start of the bull run 2020, and it looks like we could be seeing this could be start of the bull run for 2022. So guys, don't discount crypto. I still believe that the crypto bull run is still on, guys, even though the microcycles are looking pretty bad in-house. So this is just coming in for Dogecoin right now. It looks like Tesla to accept Dogecoin at the supercharger station in LA. So that is pretty bullish news for Dogecoin in-house. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So some other stuff that's coming. It looks like Decentraland prices eyes 32% rally as Mana avoids a bearish fate. So it looks like Mana has just broken up out of its bearish descending triangle. And it looks like Decentraland price has bounced off its crucial support level at $2.20, avoiding a bearish fade. So it's bounced up the upside zone. That's pretty good. As a result, Mana has created a triple bottom setup for forecasting a 32% gains in the near future. So that is pretty cool beans, guys. So you can see that Mana has bounced off here and bounced off here. So it looks like we could be setting up for a 32% gain. So that is cool beans in the house if you're holding a Mana. So right now, let's take a look at the Dogecoin right now. So the Dogecoin price right now, you can still see that Dogecoin, it's still doing pretty good overall. We're at now 12.66 cents. So that is pretty good where we sit. And we're just above this descending triangle right now. And our next level of resistance is 13 cents. So that is looking pretty good. If you look at the on-chain data for Dogecoin right now, let's just give that Mindy refresh out there, guys. So let's get it, guys. We're seeing that 50% is in the money, 49% is out. And we're still seeing that most of the sentiment for Dogecoin right now is pretty much bearish, guys. Bearish. And that is not too good. We're seeing that the Doge is down right now, 0.84%. So, Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, but Dogecoin is going down a little bit. So Dogecoin, a bear cycle coming to an end, but Doge could still move to a 9%, says analysts. So I don't believe that. I still believe that we're going to see a huge upside for Doge coming in pretty soon. And we can see that we are breaking out of this descending triangle, guys. And that is pretty good. And we just need to get above 13 cents. And we need to confirm that for at least 24 hours. And that should take us out to 15 cents should be my next target in-house. So that is pretty bullish overall. So I'm pretty excited about that. You should be excited about that. And I think this whole bear cycle for Dogecoin is going to come to an end. Absolutely come to an end. And we should be seeing some beautiful uptrend coming soon, guys. I know a lot of you out there, even the alien out there, is getting tired of Doge going down, but I think this is it, guys. Absolutely it. We're going to see that Dogecoin is going to break the upside pretty soon, and it's all depending on Bitcoin right now. So you can see Bitcoin is looking very strong, even though we have this crisis out there. Bitcoin is absolutely looking very strong. I'm excited. You should be excited. And Bitcoin right now is trading at $39,288. We're still in our horizontal trend line, so that is pretty good. And we're seeing that some of the long positions are getting liquidated now, and because of that, you might see market makers create a quick flash weak to the downside, and that could put some downside pressure on Bitcoin overall, guys and gals. So if you take a look at Bitcoin on the daily, it's looking pretty good. We're above our support line of 38,000, and we are still below our 40,000, but I think we can be getting up there soon. And our parallel channel line is still valid, guys. As long as we don't go below that, we're looking pretty good in the house. If you take a look at Ethereum in the house, Ethereum is doing very good. It's pretty strong. Looks like we could get ourselves up to $2,800. We're trading at 22,786, so that is pretty good, and we're still looking to take out our target of $3,000. But overall, you can see that we have an uptrend line here that is pretty good, and I think we're following that. And it just depends on what is going to be happening to what's going on in the Ukraine and Russia. If it starts to escalate, then we could see some volatility. But overall, I still believe that we're pretty strong, and we're going to see that in summer and spring things are going to absolutely explode to the upside. If we take a look at Solana in the house right now, so Solana is following my channel line exactly as predicted, and we're trading at 89.99, so we're about 90 bucks, guys. So it looks like we're slowly creeping. We're creeping forward to hit our $95 target, so that is pretty good in the house. So if we take a look at Phantom in the house, Phantom is also doing pretty good. It is following my trend line to the upside, and we're trading right now about $1.71, and we got some resistance at 177. So we just need to keep on keeping on, and I think we're going to get a reversal, and that is going to be huge and good news in the house. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. Total market cap is about 1.849 trillion. It's down ever so slightly, guys, and that is not too bad. We're seeing the same thing here, 1.82 trillion. The volumes are super low. We're seeing that the coinage in the house, things are looking pretty good. Bitcoin is up about 1% right now. We're seeing Ethereum is up 1%. We're seeing BNB is up 1.2%, and we're seeing XRP is down, down. But I believe that once the SEC case is finished with the Fed, once the SEC case is finished with XRP, not the Fed, we're going to see that XRP is going to pump like crazy, absolutely going to pump like crazy. We're seeing Luna's up almost 2%. We're seeing ADA is up slightly right now. So, we can see that I believe that we're going to see a bit of a takeoff right now. We're seeing that Doge is up right now, 0.4%, and it's at 12.7. So that is pretty good in the house, guys. So this is just a quick one, guys. Just want to say some love to you guys out there. So I'm going to try to get another video to you guys tonight. Let's see if I can get that happening. And don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Follow. We got 4,065 followers. Go down there, smash the like, show some love for the OG, show some love for the alien, guys. And hopefully, things will start to pick up. We're seeing that, right now, overall, crypto is just kind of going sideways. It's kind of range bound right now. Luckily, even though that we have this huge crisis, we're not seeing the big dumps going down, down. So that's not too bad, guys. Don't forget to go follow me on all of my links. Remember, now this is financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And do become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee, guys. Show some love out there. And also, guys and gals, do go and check out my NFT collection over at OpenSea.io.digitalasian. And don't forget to go check out the merch, guys. Go check out the merch. Get the mug, get the backpackety pack, get the pillow willow. And we've also got other stuff like clothes and outerwear, guys. So you guys want to get it. So with that being said, let's go back to the heat map. Things are not looking too bad, guys, in the house. So I just want to say God bless each and everyone. I love you guys. Take it easy, guys. I'll hopefully get another video out tonight. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to the hospital for x-ray and stuff. I'll see if I can get up early and probably put another video out with an update, guys. So guys, don't discount the Doge. Don't stress out, guys. Things are looking pretty good out there in the house. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!